What's up guys, my name is Mila and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little bronzy red smoking eye with like a pop of yellow because you know your girl gotta stand out. FYI, I always wear this shirt at home and this is always a shirt I use to like fucking make my YouTube videos, so I don't know why. And it's all my Target shirts, my Batman shirt, my Mickey Mouse shirt, my Superman shirt, my Spider-Man shirt. Like, I never dress up for this shit. I'm just like, if my son's occupied, gotta make a video. If you guys are curious on how I did this foundation look, I actually just posted it. So look at that, then look at this, or watch this, go back to that, whatever. If you guys aren't following me on my other social medias, please do that because I want to be friends. I want to meet new people. I want to see what everyone's like. I want to see what everyone's doing nowadays. So you guys came here for a reason, and now let's get started with this eye look. Do not mind the rollers. I'm trying these babies out because I am tired of putting heat on my hair and I want my hair to grow. So let's see if this shit works. Anyways, we're gonna start by prepping our eyes with the MAC Studio Finish Concealer. And of course, we're just using this as a base for our eyeshadow. And then we're also cleaning up our eyebrows because I definitely did not do that right now. I'm so excited because tomorrow I'm finally get my fucking lashes done again. I have individual lashes and it's been a long time since I got them done. I've just been procrastinating, girl. Oh! And tomorrow I'm just gonna look bomb as fuck. So I'm going to use another flat brush and I'm going to go ahead and set my eyelids using the I Love Voss and Nicol collab. Oh my god, I absolutely love this. This color is called Daisy and I'm pretty much packing this everywhere just to set my concealer. You can go ahead and use like a translucent powder, but this works really good for me. Using my Morphe R37 brush, I'm going to go in with Bruh and use it as my transition color. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my lid. Of course, going in windshield wiping motions or just blend it however you feel. This shit is gonna blend amazingly. Now I'm gonna go in with my same Morphe brush. I'm gonna go in with Pizza. I love these names. These names are so cute. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that as well all over my lid. Going in with Hey Girl. Oh my god, it's such a cute name. Dusting out the excess, and I'm going ahead and apply that onto my outer corner. And then I'm also gonna hit the crease in circular motions. Hey girl. This palette has so many cute and fun names. Like one of them is called Chocolate, but it's even spelled different too. I'm gonna go ahead and mix Hungry and Hey Girl together because I do want it to be a little bit more on the warmer side. Using the same brush, and I'm just gonna go into my outer corner and then a little bit on my crease, just in the middle, and then bringing it down to my outer corner. Just blending it in circular motions. FYI guys, during my transitions of colors, I'm using my Ulta shadow changing pan. And this is pretty much what I do. I do it off camera because I don't know if you guys care about it, but I'll just show you guys. Using my Morphe 35A palette, I'm just gonna use this weirdish brownish reddish color, tap out the excess, and I just want to apply a little bit onto my outer corner and a little bit in my crease, just dusting it on there. Going back with my MAC concealer and my G20 brush by Morphe, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease, only halfway though. That, and I'm just going to fill it in now. I'm gonna go in with some loose pigment by Synn Cosmetics called Paranoid. I never used this before. But I need a bright yellow pigment. And I'm going in with a flat brush. I'm actually just gonna use the cap because it's a very loose pigment and I just don't wanna fucking make a mess everywhere. And now I'm just gonna pack that onto my lid. And it's like a really pretty shimmery yellow too. This is actually true to its color. Every time I use a yellow, it looks fucking beautiful, and then when I apply it, it's fucking dead. Like, it looks like a sad ass dull yellow, but this is actually true to its color, so I like this. With my MAC Fix Plus, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Morphe M419 brush using Gilded Honey. And I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight the arch of my brow and my inner corner. I do want to go for like a little bold wing liner as well. So I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild liner, starting with the wing. Going in the middle and connecting it, filling it in, and then connecting it with the inner corner. I'm just going to be smoking this out a little bit using my E14 brush, going again with my Morphe 25 palette, and I'm just going to be smoking out my lower lash line. So as you guys can see, I popped on some lashes and I put on some contacts. These are from Desi Eyes, something like that. It's in Green Forest, and the lashes I'm using are by Bella Cosmetica. They're actually from Puerto Rico, so you know your girl had to buy some. And the curlers actually worked. You know what? I think I just should have left them on a little longer. I left them on for about like 2 hours. Next time I'll leave them on overnight, but it did leave a nice curl on my hair, and I actually do like it. I did have to clip my sides because I curled them really funny looking, so it left like a little weird crease. But you know what? First time, second time's gonna be a lot better. Anyways, I hope you guys love this tutorial. If you guys did, make sure you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on any looks you want me to recreate or anything. If you just want to say, hi Milla, I'll be like, hi back. And subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Other than that, I'm gonna hit the door and check and watch you come back. No more, no more, no more, no more. Just kidding. Bye guys.